Welcome to KNAUER HPLC Columns tutorial with the topic HPLC Column Configurator on the KNAUER webpage knauer.net. In this video, I want to show you how to work with a product filter for columns, so the so-called column configurator on the KNAUER web page. So when you are going to the KNAUER homepage on knauer.net, you can use the product filter here, click on it, and then you get all our products, scroll down, and then you find the LC Columns button. And if you click on the Columns button, you directly get to the column configurator. So you see directly in the beginning, here is a little description, and down here you see all the filters you can use. So in the beginning, every column product that is on our web page is found. So it's more than 5,000 different columns that are found here. But it's really easy now for you to filter. So it depends on what you need. I just want to show you some cases that are really typical. So most often people already know which column they want to use when they are coming to our web page and using the column filter. So they know maybe how long the column has to be. So you can go here to the length and choose, for example, the length of 250 millimeters. Just click on it and the filter will give you a readback of all columns that have the length of 250 millimeters. But still 1000 results. Most often you also know the inner diameter you want to choose. So you click here on the inner diameter, for example, 4.6 millimeters. At KNAUER, we also offer the fixed 4.6 millimeter with an integrated pre-column, so you just have to choose with pre-column or not. And then again, all products are filtered. And now you only have 140 results. But still too many to choose. So maybe you also know which modification you might need. So this is something really special. Everybody knows what he's looking for. So for example, you want a classical C18 face. So you just click on the C18 and wait for this to filter. And now you still have 9 results. So already a lot better. So now you can choose. Maybe you can scroll all the 9 examples you got. Or you know, for example, the particle size you need. Particle size, maybe it's 5 micrometers. So you see here also the filters are responsive. So now all the particle sizes that cannot be chosen in this dimension with the C18 column are not shown, but the 5 micrometer is still there. For example, if you want it, you can click on it and you still have 3 results. So this is really nice. So now the difference can only be for the column brand. So you see here the brands that we offer for classical C18. The USP code is only this one because it is defined for C18, and there are different pore sizes for the particles. So if you want to filter more, you can do it, but for 3 results you can also have a look. For example, you have the Eurosphere 2 column for the C18 phase, you have the classical Eurosphere column, and we have a Eurosphere BioSelect one. And typically the most often used one is the first one you see here. And you can just choose it, or you can click on more and you will get more information about the column. So here a little description, and if you scroll down to the technical data, you will see all informations that we can give you. So for example, if it is end capped or not. And also very interesting most often is the carbon load and the recommended pH range where you can use this column. Okay, so this was really easy. Let's go back to the product filter. And for another case, I again choose the LC columns here. So another case is that you, for example, have kind of a prescription which column you have to use, and very often there the USP code is named. So if you know the USP code, you can also go here and filter directly for the USP code. So only USP codes that we can offer will be shown here. For example, USP code L7 is a really common one. You can choose it. And then the product filter will only give you a readback of the columns with L7. L7 is corresponding to C8. If you want to have a look now which modifications are in this L7, you can also go here and you see there are different names. These are all C8 modifications, but different names from different manufacturers or different end capping styles. So if you're not sure which one you use, just stay here and maybe choose again the length. I just choose one for you, for example, 150. And then again, you can use it in a diameter. For example, now we use 3 mm with pre-column. So these are often things named in, prescriptions how to use it, for example, in the pharmacopoeia or somewhere. And of course, a particle size. Maybe now we just use 3 micrometers. And just wait shortly for the filter. And now you only have 7 results you have to choose from. And again, the most often recommended column is the one at the top. So it's our Eurosphere 2 column, 3 micrometers C8 with a pre-column, because we chose that we want a pre-column. And again, you can just use it. It has this L7 code. You can read it here or go on more information. And then you get again this table down here with the technical data and also again the carbon load, pH range, and any more informations. If you scroll down a little further, you also get the accessories and spare parts. And for columns with an integrated pre-column, you will find here also the columns and the pre-columns for exchange. So here will be a direct link to this column. So if you now want to choose this column, just you can contact KNAUER via this button. You can print the product page here, or you can just contact us and let us know that you're interested in this column. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any further questions on columns, please feel free to contact KNAUER.